everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in this video today, we're going to be doing some Christmas shopping at the Dollar Tree. So come on with me. So now this location of Dollar Tree is stocked. They do have their Thanksgiving stuff, as you can see off to the side, but I am so happy to show you how stocked these guys are, and the carts are in the way. Let's get started. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called the No Limit Christmas Shopping and Haul. I'm so excited. And who's hosting with me? Okay, so it's myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We have Design with Emma, Debbie Bubbles, At Home with Lisa, Being Mel B, Lifestyle Designs with Teresa. Now, as in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. Now, as I said at the beginning of the video, this is no limit. So you guys can go shopping at your heart's desire. I just chose to go to the Dollar Tree because I picked up some stuff I really like. Now, that's going to be the haul part of this video, and it will be in the end. So for right now, I'm going to go ahead and play some music and let you enjoy the shopping trip. I'll see you at the end, guys. amazing how stocked this store is, and they have such beautiful items. Let's head on over to the haul. Everyone. Okay, so this is the haul part of the shop with me, the holiday, the no limits holiday shop with me, Christmas shopping. So I am going to show you, I have a Dollar Tree haul. I hope I don't have anything else mixed up in here, but I have a Dollar Tree haul, so let's get started. Okay, now I know this did not come from Dollar Tree. See what I mean? So I don't know what's in here. This probably came from Dollar General, I want to say. I'm not sure, guys. Sometimes when I have these reusable bags, I just kind of toss anything in there. So, yeah. These I think I saw at Dollar General. So I got one of those. Aren't they absolutely adorable? I'm just going to have a ball decorating with that. Alright, so the Dollar Tree is carrying this pom-pom trim. I love this pom-pom trim, so I'm going to be doing some DIYs. I'm going to be doing some DIYs for Christmas while I am off from school. Now, I did get into this bag. This is also from the Dollar Tree. It comes in a pack of 4, I think. And I got in there, so there's only one of him left. So I think I have another one, though. And let's see. So the Dollar Tree, see, $1.25 is also carrying these. Aren't they adorable? You can do so many things with these. So they have a little hanging bell and the bows. They look like little tags. And we're definitely going to be DIYing with these. So I got one of those. And I love these ornaments. I think I'm going to go back and get a bunch of these because these are one of the cutest ornaments I've ever seen. I just love it. And then they're red and white. And I love the design on them. So I only got one. I only got one that I can tell. So, and I'm pretty sure that were for a DIY. I think I'm going to go back and get some more. And I always grab these when I see these. So the Dollar Tree carries these wired garland ties. So you can never go wrong with these, especially when you're working with the small trees. So stockpile them while you can. Now I had to go buy another package of the faux snow because Nala got to the other pack and wow, what a mess. So she got to the other pack. I needed some more snow. I could have used more because there's really not that much in here, but I got one of these. Let's see what else I got. Oh, okay. I am so excited about these. So you know I love the trees. I absolutely love these trees. You don't need to just use them during the holiday. There is nothing there that says holiday. I love them. Okay? I love them. And so this is the salad plate. I didn't get the entire set, but they did have the whole set. And then I got the dinner plates. So these are the dinner plates. And I love this set. I think you can use this anytime that you want. There's nothing, there's no snow, there's no nothing. It's just the trees and they are gorgeous. I just noticed that everything, I just love the trees. So this is what it would look like if you had this set. You know, the place setting. So this is what it would look like, guys. Isn't that beautiful? I think this is beautiful. I think it's a great set, especially coming from Dollar Tree. And so you don't want to miss that. So if you see these things, guys, grab them. And that is pretty much it. That was my haul from the Dollar Tree. So I hope you enjoyed the shop with me and haul. And it's just going to be amazing, guys. I'm going to have the Christmas. Well, this isn't the Christmas one, but we have some Christmas items here. But I am going to go ahead and bring this back again. I just love the shop with me and haul because we just all year round, that's all we're doing is shopping anyway. But yeah, So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.